Ever tried explaining something on your Mac during a WhatsApp call and realized the person on the other end just wasn't getting it? Good news. WhatsApp for Mac now lets you share your screen so they can see exactly what you see. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Mac. Step 2. Open the chat you want, then start a video call. Step 3. Once the call connects, hover your mouse over the call window. You'll see a little screen share icon. Step 4. Click it and choose whether you want to share your entire screen or just one window. Hit share and you're live. The other person now sees your screen in real time. Step 5. When you're done, click the icon again and select Stop Sharing. And that's it. No more confusing explanations or endless screenshots. With screen sharing on WhatsApp for Mac, showing is finally easier than telling. For more tech guides, follow techloy.com.